An object moving on a horizontal frictionless surface makes a glancing collision with another object initially at rest on the surface. In this case, which of the following is true about momentum and kinetic energy? Given that the surface is frictionless and horizontal, any external force, gravitational and normal, does not work on the system. The system is therefore isolated, and the linear momentum has to be conserved. We can rule out options B and D. Now, kinetic energy is not necessarily conserved, since we do not know if the collision is elastic. But we also do not know that the collision is not elastic. Therefore, we can rule out options C and E. The only possible option then is A.